I want to share my experience on how to turn a physical documents, in this case my sheet musics, into digital PDF, completely free in just using your phone and maybe your laptop. Hi, I'm Ivana, a professional musician. I usually share my musics, my gig experience, and everything in between. If you haven't subscribed to me yet, please do, or give it a like or comment. It will help me a lot as a small content creator, so my video will be shared to other viewers who might find this useful too. So recently I got an offer to play my instruments overseas, since it's a 3 or 6 month contract and maybe longer. And as you know, books altogether can be very heavy, and wasting my luggage quota for the books for me is unnecessary and inefficient, because there's so much more important things I have to bring with me, such as my instruments, my effect pedals, dresses, beauty supplies, you name it. Hence, I turn all my music books into PDF digital. Don't worry, it's not an endorsement. It requires zero money, just using your phone and proper natural lighting, and maybe your laptop to make the process faster. I'll give you 3 options that I tried, and then I'll tell you what's worked best for me so far. First is using a mobile app. I use Tiny Scanner. It has many options too, depend on what type of stuff you want to scan. It can be your book, documents, ID, passport, etc. It's convenient because it has built-in filter effect options, and you can choose what filter makes your documents look the clearest. And you can crop edit the pic just in case you got your surroundings. You can delete that out, so only the documents is included in the final result. And one of the great things about this app is it doesn't require you to sign up and put in your credit card. And since there were so many sheet musics I want to scan, I tried until I couldn't scan anymore without paying. And it gave me like 200 documents. Maybe there were few that might be some documents that I deleted before, but you get the idea of how many documents you can scan with this app only. If you don't scan that much, I totally recommend this one. And the second option is, if you're not up to installing apps in your phone, you can totally make the PDF in the browser. First step is using your phone camera, shoot the documents, and then go to your browser and type smallpdf.com. This is my go-to website to do anything related to PDF for free, and say like adding pages, edit, add some signature, etc. In this case, we will turn our picture to PDF. So in their tools option, choose JPG to PDF. We upload our picture, and then they will convert that to PDF, and then we can download after. Tip number 1, position your phone nicely. Try your best to fit the document nicely in your camera. Be mindful on all the sides of the documents, not leaving any surrounding. Because I find it's too much hassle for me to go to my gallery just to crop edit the surroundings I captured. It's just an extra step I can easily avoid just by capturing the document nicely. And tip number 2, set the camera ratio into 3:4 instead of 16:9 to fit the document nicely. The downside of using this method is the whole conversion and download process can take a while, but you definitely can do this if you only scan a few documents. And finally, the last option, it works the best for me who scans a lot of documents. This method requires a phone and a laptop. And for this to work, your laptop must be able to print into PDF in the printer setting. Just like the second method, we shoot the documents first, same like before. Do your best to fit the documents nicely into your camera screen, and then after that, we proceed to plug our phone into our laptop. We access the pictures we just took, select the pics we want to convert, and then hover the cursor into the supposedly first page, right-click, and then select Print. Make sure that it's portrait and select the Print to PDF option. Select the folder, name the file, and voila! Our physical documents is a PDF file now. I really like this one because you don't have to wait for one print to finish before you print another one. Just go ahead to the folder and print another. It can process simultaneously. After this, if you're a musician, you can send it to your tablet or iPad on apps you usually use to read your sheets. Because I use a Surface Pro, I use Enscore to read my sheets. The last method works the best for me because it saves me a lot of time. I bulk shoot all of my music in one go, and the conversion process on my laptop can be done simultaneously. I can print PDF like 5 to 7 documents at once. So there you go. I hope this video is useful to you. If you have any other tips or methods that work better, please do share in the comment section and let's help each other. I'm Ivana. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in my other videos. Bye!